The Mysterious Visitor 1. This is an extract from H.G. Wells' novel, The Invisible Man. It is the story of a scientist who discovers the secret of invisibility and uses it on himself. However, he is class 6 ro? Acha. He is unable to reverse the process. To look like a normal person, he moves around with a bandaged face and wears a heavy coat and gloves. His secret is discovered after an argument with his landlady. Landlady सहित argument ହେଲା ପରେ discover ଜଣା ହେଲା, leading to a lot of excitement in the town where he is staying. ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ କୌତୁହଳ ହେଲା ତା ଟାଉନ ରେ ହେଲା। The visitor had returned to his room in the coach and horses at about 5 in the morning. He stayed there with the curtains and doors closed, so बंद करके बसिला. No one wanted to be near him. केही ता पाखु जिवाकू चाहुनथिले. He wanted food, but no one answered the angry man's shouts. केही सुनिलेनी ता कथा. It was a special day in the town when people put up little shops in the road. कौन गोटे फंक्शन थिला सब रोड रे दुकान लगई थिले to sell food and lollies, okay, sweet or candies on sticks सेगुडाकू से बिकुथिले. Men and women were dressed in their best clothes, सब भलो भलो ड्रेस पिनथिले. Children were playing and the people were all happy, okay, समस्ते खुशी थिले. Some of the young men joined the little group of people at the inn. किछि young men आसिले, युवक लोक हैला inn को आसिले से जो होटल को, where everyone was talking about the robbery at the Vicar's house. समस्ते केमती सेठी सब विकास हाउस रे जो हैला रबरी जो डकैती हेतला ता विषय डिस्कस करथिले and putting two and two together, okay, ଆଉ ସବୁ ନିଜ ନିଜ କଥା କହୁଥିଲେ. Mr. Hall, the pub owner, हैला, and Sandy Rogers, the blacksmith, left to ask Mr. Shackelford from the courthouse. ସେମାନେ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ହେଲା to ask Mr. Shackelford, court house ର ସେ ଲୋକଟା what they should do, କଣ କରିବା ଚାଲି ପଚାରିବାକୁ ଗଲେ. The people at the pub in the inn, ହେଲା, pub से inn ने जो pub थिला, बुझेला से जोटे मद बिक्री हुए सेठी were afraid to go into the man's room. से माने से man room को गलेनी किसी दबाकू हैला, and they did not know what he was doing. से भी कौन करूची जानना थी, but they could hear him as he walked backward and forward. हैला से खटखट शब्द शुभुतिला हैला, they could hear him as he walked backward and forward. से जो एपट सेपट होतिला शुभुतिला. Shouting at God, से भगवान को गाली दउथिला, and breaking bottles भांगुथिला से लोकोटा. Inside the dark room, the angry man looked through the curtains and shouted at the young man. He could see, सेठी तो young man जाइथिले तांको देखिकिरी तांको चिलेला. They were pointing at his room. Young men माने से युवक लोक माने तांको हाथ देखौथिले सियाड़े देखौथिले हाथ ठारुथिले and talking to each other with enthusiasm माने आग्रह सहित निज निज भितरे enthusiasm माने तांको भितरे कथा होथिले देख रे कोन अछि लोकटा he shouted again because no one would bring him food ହେଲା केही तो ताक पाको आनी देबेनी पुणी से चिलेला and because he was feeling hot in his heavy clothes ଆଉ ଯେହେତୁ heavy clothes ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ପିନ୍ଧିଛି ତାକୁ ବି ଗରମ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଚିଲଉଥିଲା there were many broken bottles in the corner of the room ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଫିଙ୍ଗି ସାରିଛି ସେ ଭଙ୍ଗା ବୋତଲ କର୍ଣ୍ଣର ରେ ଅଛି ପଡିଛି ହେଲା ବୋତଲ ଗୁଡା at about 12 he opened his door and shouted for Mrs. Hall ये जाइकिरी खोलिला ହେଲା तार डोर खोलिला जाइकिरी 12 टा बेले मिसेस हॉल को डाकिला some people in the drinking room started looking for her किछि लोक जो ड्रिंकिंग रूम रे थिले बसथिले गले खोजियागु अरे मिसेस हॉल कुआडे गलो ताको डाके गले after a short while she came with a paper Mrs. Hall आसिला ଗୋଟେ पेपर धरतिला saying how much he needed to pay केते टंका से दबो बोली मिसेस हॉल आसिकरी कहिला you want to pay me before you leave do you she said कहले मते एबे पैसा दबो की what is the reason that you did not bring me food अरे मते आज कहीं आनिलनी खाइबा को दलनी do you think I can live without eating he shouted मते मारिबो की what is the reason that you have not been giving me my money अरे तू के मोर पैसा दोनु asked Mrs. Hall that is what I want to know you cannot be angry that your food is late when you are 5 days late in paying me तू 5 दिन हैला मते देइनु आउ एठी मते रागुचु टिके लेट हे गला बोली फूड the visitor shouted at God again हे भगवान बोली एमती से शाउट कला and I want you to keep your shouting and you are talking to God to yourself से कहला तू निज पाखे रख आम आगे गानी आम आगे तू गॉड को संगे कथा होचु गॉड को संगे शाउट करचु तू आम तो निज पाखे रख टू कीप योर शाउटिंग एंड योर टॉकिंग टू गॉड टू योरसेल्फ तू निजे निजे कर तो घर जाई कर आम आगे कहनी हमको पैसा दे The visitor became more angry से लोकटा angry रागी वाला the people in the drinking room who were looking on से सबू देखुथिले चाहूथिले कौन होची encourage Mrs. Hall को encourage कले who was winning the argument ए ताकू मागो पैसा हैला इन्हें कहले look here my good man he said से कहला देख मते टिके एआर टिके देख do not good woman me Mrs. Hall कहला मते good woman कुहनी हैला मते ते ताळेबा दरकार नहीं हेतु my money has not come but I have some in my pocket कहला मु तो पैसा अपन तो पाइनी तथापि मोर किछि पॉकेट रे अछि he said as he put his hand in his pocket to get some money किछि पॉकेट रो बाहर करियो बोली चेष्टा कला when you were first late with the money you said all you had were a few coins एंती गोटे कहला कोन कहला से के लेडीटा when you were first late with the money तमे हैला तू जते प्रथम दिन मते पैसा दे नथिलु तते बेले कहलु you said all you had were a few coins कहलु मो पाखर किछि रेजा पैसा अच्छी है आई वाज एबल टू फाइंड सम मोर से कहला तापर मु पाइगलिनी पैसा ही आंसर्ड है एंड व्हेयर डिड यू फाइंड इट तू कोनती पैसा रोजगार कलु एते पैसा आस्क्ड मिसेस हॉल कहला एते पैसा पुणी तू कोठु आनिलु दिस मेड द विजिटर वेरी एंग्री से रागिगला सुनिकी कौन कहला व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू से ही शाउटेड ब्रिंगिंग हिज फुट डाउन विथ मोर फोर्स जोर दाबिकिरी कहला बाडेगिरी गोड़ कहला कौन कहू चाहूँ I want to know where you were getting that money तू केमती कोड पैसा आनलु कह before I get you any food or do anything for you you must tell me one or two things I do not understand मु जहा बुझिनी तू मते कहया पड़िबो नले मु तते खाया देबिनी हैला I want हैला we all want to have some answers I want to know what you were doing to my chair I want to know how your room was empty and how you were able to get in again हैला माने तू केंदे आ भीतर को आसिलु हैला तो रूम भीतर को तो खाली थिला हैला तो आउ थरे केंदे आसिलु खाली कर तो जाइथिलु हैला the visitor कहला the visitor lifted his hand in anger and shouted stop with a force that was enough to quickly stop Mrs. Hall from talking हैला से एमती जोर कहला बुझल ये संगे संगे ता पार्टी बंद कला किए मिसेस हॉल You do not understand who I am or what I am. I will show you. By God, I will show you. मु तते देखे देबी. He put his hand over his face and pulled something away. ता फेस रखिला एवं कोडे बाहर कला. The middle of his face was a black hole. ता ठीक मुहेरे हैला बुझला से कहला कोन ना एठी you do not understand who I am तू मते एमती कोन कहूचू हैला बोली कहला or what I am I will show you by God I will show you रह मु तते देखौची he put his hand over his head and pulled something away ता हेड रे रखिला हाथ ता ऊपरे कोडे बाहर कर देला the middle of his face was a black hole गोटे black hole हे गला हैला he stepped forward and put something in Mrs. Hall's hand agree Mrs. Hall hand re dela dharela she looked into the dark hole of his face and then at her hand and dropped the thing to the floor ता मुह को जतले से देखिला और हाथ रे कोन देई देखिला से सब पके देला बुझला the nose it was the man's pink nose अच्छा the nose से कौन पके देला ना हैला सेटा थिला नाकटा कौन थिला सो कौन कला हाँ से हाथ रे ताको धरिया चेष्टा कला ये जतले देखिला एवं एंड देन एट हर हैंड देखिला मो हाथ रे कौन से देइची से संगे संगे ताको तळे पके देला ड्रॉप द थिंग टू द फ्लोर पके देला तळे जेटा कौन थिला द नोज It was the man's pink nose. ହେଲା ସେ nose ଟା ସେ ଧରିଥିଲା. People in the drinking room cried out in surprise as the visitor lifted his glasses. ହେଲା ସବୁ ପୁରା ଚିଲେଇଲେ. ଭିଜିଟର କଣ କଲା ତାର ଗ୍ଲାସ କୁ ହେଲା ଗ୍ଲାସ ଲିଫ୍ଟେଡ ଇଜ ଗ୍ଲାसेस ମାନେ ତା ଚଷମାଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହଟେଇଦେଲା ସବୁ ଦେଖିକିରି ଚିଲେଇଲେ. then he took off his hat ତାପରେ ସେ କଣ କଲା hat ଟା ଉଠେଇଦେଲା ତା ଟୋପିଟା. Fear filled in the room as he pulled at his false hair. ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଏଇ ତାର ହେୟାର ଟାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ବାହାର କଲା ସବୁ ଡରିଗଲେ. ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ତା ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଜ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାହାର କଲା ସବୁ ଡରିଗଲେ. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ସବୁ ଭୂତ ଭାବିଲେ. ଭୂତ ବୋଲି ଭାବିଛ. The truth was becoming too much to take. ହେଲା ମାନେ କେହି ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁନଥିଲେ. ହେଲା Mrs. Hall cried out in fear and left the room. Mrs. Hall ଡରିକି ପଳେଇଲା ଚିଲେଇକି. All the others wanted to see what this strange man looked like. ହେଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହଉଥିଲେ. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? But now there was nothing to see. ହେଲା But now there was nothing to see. ଏବେ କିଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଶୁଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଛାଡ଼ିକିରି ମିସେସ୍ ହଲ୍ ପଳେଇଲେ. All others wanted to see what this strange man looked like. କେମିତି ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା ସବୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଲୋକ. But now there was nothing to see. ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ନାହିଁ. No face and no hair. ହେଲା ତାର ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖାଯାଉନି. Bandages and false hair were flying across the room. Bandage ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ ଲଗେଇଥିଲା ସବୁ ଖୋଲି ଦେଇଛି ଚାରିଆଡେ ପଡିଛି across the room. And all the people in it ସବୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ସବୁ ବସିଥିଲେ ଏଇ ରୁମ ରେ were running to get out of the front door of the pub. ହେଲା front door ଦେଇକି ସବୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲେ ଯିବାକୁ. The man they all had waited to see was a man without a head. The man they all had waited. ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟାକୁ ସେ ୱେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ହେଲା ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯେମିତି ଚିଲଉଥିଲା ସେଇଟା କଣ he was a man without a head. ତାର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ. ହେଲା people on the road who could hear the shouting. ସବୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ସବୁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ବି ଶୁଣିଲେ shouting. ଚିଲଉ ନଥିଲେ ସେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ସବୁ shouting. ହେଲା ଏଇଆଡୁ ଶୁଭୁଥିଲା. When they looked up the road to the coach and horses. ହେଲା when they looked up the road ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ରୋଡ ଉପରକୁ ଅନଉଥିଲେ coach and horses ଆଡକୁ ହେଲା they were seeing people fall over each other trying to get out of the door. ତେଣୁ ଯୋଉ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ କଣ ନା people fall over each other. ସବୁ ଇଏ ତା ଉପରେ ସେ ତା ଉପରେ ପଡୁଥିଲା. trying to get out of the door. ଡୋର ବାଟେ ଦୌଡୁଥିଲେ ହେଲା ଇଏ ତା ଉପରେ ସେ ତା ଉପରେ ଗଳି ପଡୁଥିଲେ ହେଲା ଭିଡରେ. In a short time 40 people or more were at the door trying to see what was going on. ଏତେବେଳେ କଣ ହଉଥିଲା ଏବେ କଣ ହେଲା ନା Okay. Huh. In a short time 40 people or more were at the door. ହେଲା ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ ଡୋର ପାଖରେ ଏବଂ ସେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଟୁ ସି ହ୍ୱାଟ ୱାଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଅନ୍ ସେମାନେ ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ କଣ ହଉଛି ହେଲା ଦେୟାର ୱେର ଦି ପିପୁଲ who were selling lollies lolly କେତେ ଜଣ ବି ବିକୁଥିଲେ the entertainers boys and girls well dressed men and women old people poor people okay they all wanted acha to talk at the same time and no one was listening okay ସମସ୍ତେ କହୁଥିଲେ ହଁ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ ଆଉ they all wanted ସମସ୍ତେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ to talk at the same time ହେଲା and no one was listening ସମସ୍ତେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଗପିବାକୁ କେହି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ନଥିଲେ a small group was helping Mrs. Hall who had collapsed again ହେଲା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲାନୁ ସେ ଚେତା ବୁଡି ଯାଇଛି ତେଣୁ କିଛି ଲୋକ ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାକୁ ଚେତା ବୁଡିଆରୁ ସେନ୍ସଲେସ୍ ରୁ ତାକୁ ଫେରେଇ ଆଣିବୁ there was a noise from behind ଗୋଟେ ପଛରୁ ଆସିଲା ଶବ୍ଦଟେ the people moved to one side of three men who were walking confidently towards the pub ହେଲା the people moved to one side of the one side for three men acha for three men who were walking confidently towards the pub acha tinta loko asutule okay first was Hall very red in the face then Mr. Bobby Jaffers the town policeman and then Wajers okay so ତିନିଟା ଲୋକ ଆସୁଥିଲେ first was K Hall very red in the face then Mr. Bobby Jaffers policeman se and then Wajers they are coming to take the visitor to prison ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଆସୁଥିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଭିଜିଟର କୁ ନବା ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ବାନ୍ଧିକିରି ନେବେ ହେଲା